In this video, we are going to learn about linear equations in two variables. What are linear equations? Linear equations are the equations in which the highest power of the variable is 1. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. It is a linear equation in one variable. How it is a linear equation in one variable, I'll explain. It is an equation because there is an equal to sign here. It is an equation in one variable because there is only one variable here, and it is linear because the highest power of the variable is 1. So, what is the general form of a linear equation in one variable? The general form is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a cannot be 0. This is how we define the general form of a linear equation in one variable. Now we come to linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. A and b are not both 0 means that they are not both 0 simultaneously. That is, any one of them can be 0. An example of a linear equation in two variables is 12x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. There are two variables in this, x and y, and the highest power of the variables is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in two variables. Another important thing is that any linear equation in one variable can be expressed as a linear equation in two variables. For example, if you are given 4x plus 5 equal to 0, by writing it as 4x plus 0 into y plus 5 equal to 0. What have you actually done? You have introduced another variable in this equation, but because the coefficient of this variable is 0, this term will vanish. But you have written it as an equation in two variables. What is meant by solution or root of an equation? Any real value or values of the variable which, when substituted in an equation, makes its both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, equal, is called a solution or root of the equation. For example, in the linear equation ax plus b equal to 0, ax plus b is the left hand side, 0 is the right hand side. If you put x equal to minus b upon a in left hand side, let's see what we get. Taking the left hand side, a into minus b upon a plus b, so you will get a 0. What does that mean? It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side at x equal to minus b upon a. This implies minus b upon a is the solution of the given solution of the given equation. Now if we talk about the solution of linear equation in two variables, let us consider the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now if we put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in left hand side, let's see what we get. We take the left hand side, 4x plus 3y. It will be equal to 4 into 2. Instead of x I have put the value 2 and instead of y I will put the value 1. So I will get 8 plus 3 which is equal to 11. So we observe that left hand side is equal to right hand side at x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. It can also be written as an ordered pair 2, 1 which represents a point in the Cartesian plane. Now we will learn how to find the solutions of a given linear equation in two variables. The first question given to you is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now what is the first step? The first step is you will write y in terms of x. So y will be equal to 7 minus 2x. Now you will keep different values of x in this equation 1 and then you will find the corresponding values of y. The values of x may be of your choice. So it is called the independent variable. Y will depend on x, so it is the dependent variable. Okay, so I will take the first value of x as 1 and substitute x as 1 in equation 1. So what will I get? Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1, that is 7 minus 2 which is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. This equation, this solution can be written as an ordered pair 1, 5. This is one solution. Now for the second solution I will put x equal to 2. So if we put x equal to 2 in equation 1, what will I get? 7 minus 2 into 2, that is 7 minus 4 which is equal to 3. So the solution becomes 2, 3. This is the second solution. In the same way you will find two more solutions by keeping the values of x as 3 and 4. So when I keep third value x equal to 3, I will get y is equal to 1. So the solution is 3, 1. In the same way, when x is equal to 4, you will get y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this is the fourth solution. So in this way, you have to find solutions of the given linear equation in two variables. Now you may see that for every value of x, you get a value of y. That means that there are infinite values of x and for every value of x you have value of y. That means there are infinite solutions of any linear equation in two variables. See, you have seen that for every value of x you get a value of y as the solution of the given linear equation in two variables. So and these solutions we have written as ordered pairs which represents point in the Cartesian plane. When you plot these points in the graph, you will see that you will get straight line. That means any linear equation in two variables represent a straight line. Now how to find out whether a point lie on the straight line or not? The question is, does the point 0, 3 lie on the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12? We have to check this. Now the ordered pair 0, 3, it means the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 3. Now we'll put these values of x and y in the given linear equation in the left hand side. So what is the left hand side of the given equation? 3x plus 4y. This is the left hand side. And what is the right hand side? Right hand side is equal to 12. Now in the left hand side we will put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Let's see what we get. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3, which is equal to 0 plus 12, and it is equal to 12. So left hand side becomes equal to the right hand side. Therefore we may say that the point 0, 3 lie on the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. This is the way you check whether the point lies on the line or not.